Hey, everybody, welcome back. Today, let's go over how we can use Shotcut in order to put some light background music onto our flipped lecture videos. Let's go. As you can see, I've finished editing my video, putting in different images on the top, and editing out all of the silence. So now I have the collection of clips that I want to create into my final video. Let's go to Google. So you can search for a type of music that you like. I'll use jazz this time, so I'll type in jazz instrumental, and this is important, Creative Commons. What this will do is bring up videos or songs that do not have a strict copyright on it, so it will allow you to use some music for your lecture videos without the fear of copyright retribution. We have a lot of choices here, but I'm going to go with this one right here, Jazz Music Creative Commons. So let's copy the link address and let's go to another website. This is qdownloader.io. This is a website that will help you download videos from YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or many other websites. It is very versatile if you want to download a video from the web to use offline. So I'm going to go over here and copy and paste the video. And this is important. In the Shotcut application, for whatever reason, MP3s often make the video work very, very slowly, oppressively slowly. Rather than downloading the audio only, which makes intuitive sense, let's download the video form. So I click download. Sometimes it'll take you to the screen, in which case you have to click the three bars on the right and download. Oh, that sounds nice. So now I bring up my downloads folder and I drag and drop the video, was automatically saved as video playback, into the video screen. Next, go down to the timeline, right click, and go to Insert Video Track. Add video track. Now, this is important. If the video track is on top of the other videos, you really want to click this little eye right here. This is to hide the video. This means that only the audio will come through, which means that you won't block your other presentation with this lovely image of champagne and a candlelight nightcap. Instead, we can focus on the music. So let's insert our audio and let's go to the end of our video clip and let's click S and let's delete the extra music here. Let's give it a play. Make for a much more intuitive and smooth. As you can see here, the music is quite loud. Experience. Let's do something about that. So click on the video clip, go to filters, and let's do gain, volume. We should lower this quite a bit. Quite a bit, indeed. On here, this little button. This is a little bit too quiet. It'll take some experimentation to find a music level that is appropriate for your video. Let's keep listening. And you have two choices. You can either still too quiet. In the channel dashboard, much better. You should be able to search for your video by title. So this video is about listening activities. So let's search for listening activities. Let's make it just a slightly quieter. Wow, pretty good. I'm real satisfied. Now that I have my music in place, I'm finished with my video. So I'll export the file here, give it a name, choose a location to save it in, and I'll click save. If you look up in the upper right-hand corner over here, it'll show the progress as the video saves. So sit back, have a cup of tea, and wait for your video to finish. Okay, I hope that you found this helpful. I hope that you can use this to put some lovely background music into your flipped lecture videos. Give your students something calm and soothing, or something energetic. Anyways, I will see you in the next class. Until then, cheers.